开始直播啦。Okay, you can start.
Hello. See, we're gonna make hometown garlic oil. You have to cut the garlic in a small piece first.
How many garlic are you cutting, Dr. Wu?
Oh, this is, I cut in 100 of them.
It's about 100 in here.
That doesn't look like 100.
Cut them into very small pieces, huh?
You do a marble.
Cooking with she.
Tai Chi.
Horse dance. This way you don't get tired. And you're actually
Doing Tai Chi.
doing Tai Chi where you're cooking. Two good things in one. What do you use the garlic oil for, Dr. Wu?
You can make a noodle. You can put a teaspoon to your soup. Make it for tasty. Also, you can put in a teaspoon garlic oil to your lo mein, the noodle, or you can buy very good recipe that you go to the store, health food store or Trader Joe, buy 1 pound, 1 packet of organic brown rice noodle and put in water, cook for about 20 minutes. And you can drink the rice broth, but the noodle, take it out. Use it a little bit like vegetable and 1 tablespoon garlic oil and 1 tablespoon organic soy sauce. Just mix together. Soy sauce here, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon garlic oil, and mix with the organic rice noodle. Mix your own lo mein. This is like the best. You get the lo mein from restaurant. They can use MSG, sugar, preservative, so many things in there. But this is you make better quality, the best quality food. You make yourself.
Oh, somebody asking using olive oil? Or what oil are you using?
Olive oil cannot be high heat. This have to be high heat oil right here. Cook this garlic. I show you how to cook next. Olive oil is only for soup or salad because this is going to be deep fried. Also, you can use peanut oil or sunflower oil, high heat oil, but sunflower oil, but avocado oil is the best one. In China, we use peanut oil. China, we don't have avocado, but the old day we only have peanut oil. That's it, nothing else. Also, tea seed tree oil very good too.
Really?
From the tea tree, the tea we drink,
Yeah?
茶籽油,
Oh,
the tea seed oil,
Tea
very
seed.
good, very healthy too. Good for the cholesterol, good for the lost weight too. Tea seed oil. Also very good for skin. The tea seed oil we use for make for the skin too.
You can't find that here.
You can order everything online. Amazon got everything. They ship from China too. from Guangxi or Wu Mountain, where the tea farmer they have make it. Guangxi have that too. Guangxi have tea too. They pick the seed from the tea tree and they press for the oil.茶籽油，TC oil， 茶籽油以前那个粮食管理所都有的，每家的、国家的，每家都有的。现在反而就比较少了。以前每家每个town都有，每个town都有一个粮食管理所嘛，卖米的地方，卖米卖油的地方。我小的时候就去买，因为我姐姐在粮食管理所，我去那里买油买米。
我们北方好像就是花生油、猪油。
我不用排队，我走后门进去的。I go to the rice store and buy the oil. I don't have to wait on the line. 100 people. My sister is a manager for the rice department.
Yeah.
I just walk in the behind the door.
Back door. It's getting very fine. So this part takes some patience.
And the right tools.
But
The right tools.
It's a meditation. You forget about timing. She's doing Tai Chi in the kitchen. See, this Dr. Andrew Y told me that when he went to medical school, Harvard Medical School in 1970, very stressful with internship, working in a medical school, and how he cook every night, 1 hour, half hour, 1 hour dinner, and that's where he released the stress.
That's good.
Cooking in the kitchen, she's so relaxed. It's like Tai Chi. Instead of go to Tai Chi class, you can do a cooking with Chi in the kitchen. It's optional for you. Of course, you want to come to my Tai Chi class, that's welcome. I do Tai Chi, I cooking, I get double Chi. Double touch.
Yeah, if you learn Tai Chi, you'll figure out how to do Tai Chi where you do many different things. The Tai Chi way of living.
See, whatever you do, you enjoy it, love what you do, that's it. Whatever you do, you have to love what you do. That's part of the enjoy life. You know, not waiting tomorrow. Do whatever you need to do. See, this
Only way to
beautiful.
live.
You make your own garlic oil. It's much better to buy from someone else. You can put energy to it. Good chi.
Someone asked, do you teach pulse diagnosis?
Yeah, of
Imagine.
course. I teach and have to be in person. This I cannot teach from long distance. Long distance, but you can ask me question, I can tell you. But really practically, this have to be in person. Like look at the tongue, I can do long distance. I want to feel the pulse near in person. Yeah. You feel
Yeah,
it.
you have to learn in person.
Feeling. You have to
Can't do
feel.
that yet by phone. Now there's something for the new Apple phone.
What you say? What you say?
Design one that can take the 3 pulses.
No, we do gonna train people how to take pulses because everybody need it. You have to know yourself.
Yeah.
What's going on with your body, but we can train many practitioners to pulse diagnose.
How much oil did you put in, Dr. Wu?
I put 8 ounces.
8 ounces of avocado oil, and you put all the garlics in.
8 ounce oil with 8 ounce garlic.
Hi, Dr. Wu is teaching us how to make garlic oil.
You have to keep more stir, or otherwise they can be overcooked. You have to keep turning around.
So this garlic oil, like Dr. Wu said before, if you just joined, it's very good. If you can put it in a noodle dish, ramen, you can put in soup, put it on the rice.
You can also add it to your vegetable too. You can cook vegetable, just boil the water, put the vegetable into boiled water with 1 tablespoon oil in the water, and take the vegetable out. Add a little bit sea salt, soy sauce, then add a teaspoon of garlic oil, mix in the vegetable, make it the vegetable taste very good.
Someone asked that, tell me the criteria to join you to learn pulse diagnosis, how to do internship with you.
Internship have to be come in. Needed have to be in either Mainland, Wednesday, Thursday, or West Harvard, Monday, Tuesday.
So I don't know where this person lives, but like Ming says, he really has to learn in person.
You have to fly in. You can fly in for one time first. Then you go home to practice and come back again, intern again.
Yeah.
Or you can fly to China to study with my teacher, Dr. Xiao, 86 years old now. He sees 12 patients a day, 6 days a week. He teaches Qigong class 2 hours. He's the very good memory. He's more busy than me. I say, oh, wow, amazing. I thought I'm busy. You're busy than me. He do his own business. He after retire from the TCM university. He's a professor, but when he retire, even he do more. He do his own.
Before you become an intern?
No, if you intern postdoc, you don't need to do trainer. It can be supplement things, optional. Like Dr. Xiao doesn't do trainer. His wife do trainer, very good trainer. He saw my movie. His wife saw my movie. He know I do trainer. He saw up. He said, "Come on, let me try on you." He worked on me, amazing. His wife, 85 years old too, so strong. His wife, 29, very strong, powerful.
Oh.
Like the old lady doctor, 140 years old, still do trainer in Beijing. Orthopedic doctor, set people bone.
Really?
Yeah, broken arm, broken leg.
Someone says, you're a good mentor for healing purposes.
Yeah, good mentor.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yes, Dr. Wu has been very good at teaching his students and his patients how to be healthier and how to help other people to become healthy.
But you got to enjoy what you're doing and enjoy life too. It's balance. See, food is part of the medicine. Go to the kitchen before go to pharmacy. Look, we have a pharmacy and the kitchen go together. Herbal pharmacy with 1,000 kind of rules up here.
Kitchen and pharmacy in one.
Is your hometown cook like this? Garlic oil?
Garlic oil? We use garlic oil too. But I just haven't ever done it. Yeah, so it's good for me to learn.
Your parents do this?
No, I don't think they know how to do it. Yeah, but you can buy it in the store.
Or buy it in store?
Yeah.
But we in my hometown, nobody buy it.
You do that? Yeah.
Ourselves. Because we used to cook ourselves, we buy from the store. No, it's not the same. That's why
I'm sure it's
we have to go better cook ourselves.
This is better than much better than store bought. How long can you store this garlic oil?
2 years.
For 2 years. Wow. So it's worth the effort of making a batch, and you can store for a long time.
Actually, at home I cook 5 pounds of garlic, and I get some to my friend. They love it.
Do you need to put it in the fridge?
No.
No, just room temperature.
Yeah.
Just store it in room temperature.
Until the color they turn to brown color. Look.
See, it's turning this nice golden light brown color. That means almost ready, right, Dr. Wu?
Almost.
Almost ready. This needs a little more. Do you put salt in it or just garlic and oil?
No salt.
No salt.
No salt. Only garlic and oil.
That's it. I'm gonna do a close up for you guys so you can see the color. So you can see the oil is still hot. Okay.
很巧，你也帮我挂几个热。
And then you put it in a glass bottle, or once it cool down, right, Dr. Wu?
Right
How
now.
do you store it?
Yeah, it cool down a little bit and put in a bottle. But right now I have a. Last week I cooked some already. Right now it's not too hot. It's way too hot. They're gonna be with the bottle. Right
With
now
the bottle,
it's
yeah.
not too hot.
So once it cool down, you wanna store it in a glass bottle, and like Dr. Wu said, it's store in room temperature and good for 2 years. For me, this may not last 2 years. I'll be probably use it all up in 6 months. Cause it smells so good. Okay, all set?
Yep, all set.
Okay, thank you everyone for watching. Try this at home.